Bagi kami merupakan satu kehormatan karena Jawa Tengah dipercaya menjadi tuan rumah dalam pelaksanaan kegiatan pada hari ini. Kami selaku pimpinan mewakili seluruh jajaran mengucapkan terima kasih kepada WIPO dan DJKI karena dengan dilaksanakan kegiatannya ini berarti bahwa WIPO dan DJKI memberikan perhatian besar bagi wilayah Jawa Tengah, khususnya dalam aspek pemanfaatan kekayaan intelektual.
Since 1987, we at the JPO have been making voluntary contributions.
Bagaimana produk itu yang menemukan pembelinya, dan itu yang kita sebut discovery.
So this program, the IP Management Clinic program that we have been implementing since 2023, has come to SEMARANG for the first time. Last year we were in Surabaya, and we have been going around Central Java to explore and meet with the diverse range of SMEs and entrepreneurs from the region. This edition in SEMARANG has been very special for us. We've been able to meet companies from very different sectors, from the fashion industry to the agro-food, to even more tech-oriented companies, and they have all been very interested in the program, asking many questions, and it has been a pleasure to learn also from them and exchange with them throughout the journey. And so we came here to implement the IP Management Clinic program, like I said, which is a mentoring program, but the particularity here is that we open the training session to a broader number of companies so that they can benefit from the new information that we're delivering here.